Hello friends, welcome to PYG tutorial. So today we are going to see angle bisector triangle theorem property as well as a converse of a angle bisector theorem. So let's begin with our a property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Friends, the theorem is says that the bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of remaining side. That means, suppose in the given theorem, a triangle bisector of a angle C intersect the segment AB in the point E. So, as per the diagram, the triangle ABC or in that the angle C is bisect with a point E on a AB. So here we are going to prove that AE divided by EB AE divided by EB is equal to CA divided by BC. Okay, so let's begin with we have to do a construction. Draw a line parallel to a CE passing through the point B and extend AC so as to intersect at point D. For example, in this diagram, a triangle ABC where the point D in a such a way where CE is parallel to BD and in this AD transversal we get ACE is equal to CDB as a CE and BD. This CE and BD is parallel to each other and therefore using this line AD we get to know ACE is equal to CDB as these are the corresponding angle. Now with the line BC we get angle ECB is equal to angle CBD as these are the alternate angle. Now in a proof we already given that the angle ACE is equal to angle ECB. Angle ACE is equal to ECB as this is the AC is a bisector of angle C. Now begin with, therefore from the equation 1, 2 and 3 we can say that the angle CBD is equal to angle CDB. As we know, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. It indicate angle A is equal to angle C. The same theorem is applied here. So we get CBD equal to CDB. Now, as we know, in a triangle CBD, the side CB is equal to side CD as the reason is side opposite to congruent angle. So in any triangle, if the two angles are equal, that means their opposite sides are also equal. Therefore, here we get CB equal to CD. Now proceed to a basic proportionality theorem. As we know, EC is parallel to segment BD. EC is parallel to segment BD. To consider the triangle ABD. Consider the triangle ABD. So we can say that their ratio will be with your corresponding side. So we can say AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. Now, as you know that a CB is equal to CD, so here this CD is going to replace with this CB, so that we get AE upon EB is equal to AC upon BC. So here friends, we prove that the theorem, the bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the side opposite to their angle is in the ratio of remaining the sides. Now let's begin with our converse of an angle by bisector theorem. Friends, in this triangle ABC, a point D on the side of BC such that AB upon AC equal to BD upon DC, that is given. Then we have to prove that the AD bisect the angle BAC. So in this diagram, a triangle ABC is given and D is such a point on the BC, and we have to prove that the angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Okay, now construct. We are going to first consider AE equal to AC. We are going to consider the point E in a such way the AC is equal to AE. Then also we are going to draw a CE a parallel to AD, a line CE parallel to ray AD. Now let's begin with next. As the construction AE equal to AC, we can say that the angle ACE is equal to angle AEC. The reason is what? The angle opposite to the equal side. In a same triangle, angle is opposite to equal sides. Now, here CE is parallel to your AD, then we can say that with respect to ray BE, BAD, angle BAD equal to angle AEC. These are the correspondence angle. Now, with respect to your segment AC, we can say that CAD equal to angle ACE. CAD angle equal to ACE, as these are the alternate angle. Now, using these three statement, equation number 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, we say that angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So hence this is the proof, and that since it's proved that the ray AD is bisect the angle BAC. So this is how the converse theorem is going to prove. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and like.